This video demonstrates how to manage features and components of the MSI package. For this, I will use PaySuite application packaging solution. You can get a free trial at paysuite.com. Namely, I will cover the following topics: add a new feature and component, edit features, components, reorganize feature component structure, move resources between components, run PaySuite launcher. Click on the package virtualize lifecycle stage and select Edit MSI. Now choose the MSI package to edit. If you are editing a vendor MSI produced by a software manufacturer, according to the Windows installer best practices, you should do it with a transform file. To create a transform, go to menu and select New MST. Choose a destination location and file name for the transform file. In case you are editing your packaged MSI or you are not afraid of losing a vendor support, skip the step of creating a transform file. Now, you can start modifying the necessary resources of your package. Go to the Package Designer Features and Components tab. This view displays the feature component structure of the MSI package. Here you can review root and child features, the linked components, and their resources. In addition, you can review feature resources, which consist of resources of all feature components. For this, select the tree element called Feature Resources and enable the Details pane. To create a new feature, select New Feature from the context menu of a place where you want to add this feature. Set feature name, identifier, behavior, and appearance settings. To make this feature root, click this link. To create a new component, invoke New Component from the context menu of a feature where you need this component. On the General tab, specify a component name, destination folder for files, and a component key path. The key path is important if you are going to use advertise shortcut. When the advertise shortcut is launched, it checks if component key paths exist and, if needed, triggers the MSI self-healing mechanism to restore the missing resources. On the next step, set the required component attributes. For instance, to allow the component to install resources to the 64-bit location, set the respective 64-bit attribute. On the Relationship tab, you can reassign this component to another feature. Note that one component can belong to various features. For editing features or components, select Properties from the context menu of an item that you want to edit. You are free to change any details. The new and changed items will be highlighted in green in the tree. Here you can move a feature with all of its child items under another feature. For this, select Move To from the context menu. Choose a new parent feature and click Select. To move components, select one or many components at once and also invoke Move To from the context menu. To move resources from one component to another, select Move To from the context menu of a group of resources that you want to move. Choose a component from the tree and click Select. If you need to move only one or few resources of the group, first invoke Properties, and then select Move To Component from the context menu of the specific resource. Choose a component from the tree and click Select. That is how features, components, and their resources can be edited with help of PaySuite. Thanks for watching.